All right, so we'll get it open. So this is to make the door handle. This is to make the lock thing. Okay. Okay, right here's the measurements. You can make them longer, shorter, it's up to you. And you line it up. Like that is a little better. Okay. Okay, so you put your 2 screws. You'll make sure this is lined up, so this is pretty good. Then the top side, this we'll use right here to eat it up. So let's get this hole going. Okay, so you get it on your drill and you'll start going. Okay, so that went through. You can see there the wood. Okay, so let's get the bracket off. Okay, the bracket is off and the hole is made. So we are good to go. Nice. Perfect.